Jai Shri Ram, Rama Vijaya, Chapter 3. A few days after his return to Lanka, he went to catch Vali, who carried him away in his arms to his house and tied him up to the cradle in which his son Angada was fast asleep. Vaishrava came and requested Vali to set him free. Vali granted his request and, applying suit to all the faces of Ravana, allowed him to go to Lanka. One day he asked Brahmadev to inform him by whose hands he would die. When the god told him that he would die by the hands of Rama, a son of Dashratha and grandson of Ajpal, Ravana got very indignant and said that he would kill Dashratha and his wife by any means. Soon after, Ajapal made preparations for celebrating the marriage of his son with Kausalya when Narada told him to watch his son and daughter-in-law because Ravana would kill them under any circumstances.
Whereupon Ajapal took Dashratha and Kausalya on board a ship in the sea far off and was about to tell his priest to perform their marriage when Ravana attacked the ship at night with a large army of demons and broke her in the sea. All perished except Dashratha and Kausalya. Ravana put Kausalya into a box and handed it over to a fish which carried it to a desolate island and deposited it there for safety. Dashratha struggled much with the waves of the sea, but at last he got into a broken vessel which was carried by the waves to the island where the box was deposited by the fish. Dashratha landed on the seashore and seeing the box there, he seated himself up on it for rest. Having got refreshed, he opened the box out of curiosity, but to his great surprise, he found Kausalya in it. Narada came there in the meantime and having performed their marriage, blessed them, saying that the god Rama would be born to them. In Lanka, Ravana asked the god Brahmadev about his prediction. He said to the god, "Where is Dashratha? You know, he has already perished in the sea." Brahmadev replied, "Long since Dashratha has been married to Kausalya, and you will see that Rama will be shortly born to them." Ravana said, "Well then, get them here." Brahmadev replied, "If I get them here, what will you give me?" Ravana said, "I promise to give you whatever you will ask from me." Brahmadev then went and brought the box from the island, and having opened it, he showed the bride and bridegroom to the demon. As soon as he saw them, he got exceedingly enraged and was about to cut off their heads when Brahmadev stepped forward and said to him, "You promised me that you would give me whatever I would ask from you. I therefore ask you not to kill Dashratha and Kausalya." Ravana replied, "You may ask me for any other thing, but I cannot spare the lives of those wretched beings." Brahmadev said, "I do not want any other things from you, but I want you to spare their lives." Ravana could not break his promise and accordingly spared their lives. Brahmadev then brought them to Ayodhya and placed Dashratha on the throne of the country. Jai Shri Ram, Shri Rama Vijaya, Chapter 3 complete.